This is Business 2, Lesson 3, Review How to Escape the Office Life. Takuma, have you read The 4-Hour Work Week? Oh, yeah. It's basically the Bible for people tired of the 9 to 5. I just started reading it. One thing that stood out was the idea to validate your business ideas first. So many people build something they hope others want, but if no one's interested, it's a waste. I get it. And the author also said, doing something unimportant well does not make it important. Yeah, people stay busy doing small tasks that don't actually help the business grow. I also liked the advice to be the best, not the cheapest. Absolutely. If you offer real value, people will pay more. I think this book is going to help me rethink everything. Okay, good job.